Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make iodine nasal spray easy guide. Do not attempt to make medical sprays at home. Seek professional guidance instead. I will outline safety concerns, common risks, and why clinical formulations differ from DIY attempts. We will review legal and health implications, safer alternatives you can discuss with a pharmacist, and red flags that should prompt immediate medical attention. In this video, I will explain how to make iodine nasal spray easy guide. Do not try to mix or dilute iodine products at home. It can cause harm. Here I focus on the physiological risks, why accurate dosing matters, and how mucosal tissues respond differently than skin. I will explain signs of toxicity, when to stop use, and why medically formulated options exist. Always prioritize tested, regulated products. In this video, I will explain how to make iodine nasal spray easy guide. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more safety-first content. On another note, the product shown brings audio and convenience to your space in a fun way. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy the recommendation. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make iodine nasal spray easy guide. Rather than attempting DIY sprays, consider saline rinses and clinician-recommended treatments. I will compare over-the-counter options versus prescription therapies and explain when antiseptics are appropriate. Learn how to read product labels, verify sterility, and choose options with clear safety data. If you have specific symptoms or conditions, consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.